March 31st, 2024, Easter Sunday, a day after the Makee Maui race. Came home from the Easter party. It's about 3 o'clock. Look what we had here. We had one more bird back. So this is number 3 out of our 9. So that's awesome. I was hoping for more, but you know, we take what we can get. Look at that, back with the Connor band. Beautiful bird, green band. Let's see, number 8. Number 8 is back. Look at that, beautiful bird. Looks to be in good condition. Yeah, did the ocean. Number 8 did the ocean. Look at that, and 100 right there. He did the ocean too. Right there, there's 100. Look at that, 100. 100 and number 8. Let's see here. Right there, the yellow band. She did the ocean too, beautiful. Look at that, 3 birds that did the ocean. So the dark lofts, big island of Hawaii. Number 3 returns from Makee Maui. Number 8. Oh yeah, boom.